थिएट्रिकल रिलीजेस में अलग डांस करना पड़ता है
अलग algorithm,
फॉर पीआर एंड
Literally,
पब्लिसिटी एंड
हाँ।
प्रमोशंस। हाँ
लिटरली
लिटरली। तो वो डांस मूव्स ही अलग है। तो वो कुछ लोगों की बस की बात है, मतलब कुछ लोग उसमें निपुण हैं, हम नहीं हैं।
तुम्हारी टॉलरेंस लेवल्स, तुम्हारी फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी को बहुत टेस्ट करता है ये एनवायरनमेंट। इट्स नॉट इजी। मतलब ट्रस्ट मी, मैं और भी रियलिटी शोज कर चुका हूँ, ऐसी चीज मैंने नहीं देखी है। ये धुरंधर है भाई। सो सोच समझ के कोई भी अगर जा रहा है तो सोच समझ के जाए। माय फादर बीइंग इन द सेम बिजनेस, दैट वाज नेवर अट्रैक्टिव। तो हीरो बनने की कोई चाह नहीं थी, बट यस कि हमारा जो सिनेमा है, हमारे सिनेमा की जो परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं वो इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा की कैलिबर पे उठकर आए, वो चाहती। आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी दैट गाय, यू नो, डांसिंग अराउंड द ट्री एंड जो लड़की यहाँ डांस कर रही है और आप उसके वो कर रहे हो नीचे बैठ के घुटने के बल। I grew up making fun of that on Great Indian Comedy Show, Channel V के जो shows. So there was no way I want to be that.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the cast of Shekhar Homes, KK Menon sir, Rasika Duggal, Kirti Kurhali and Ranveer Shore. So nice to have you all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Aina.
Aina.
I definitely want to start off with the fact that because एक detective based show है और हमने देखा है कि पसीने से detect हो रहा है कि fear में है या नहीं. How good are you all at deducing people in life?
I'm quite good at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it right most of the times. Yeah.
Like it's a gut feeling या आपका judgment काफी अच्छा है?
It's a mix of observation and instincts. So yeah, I can sense a lot. Yeah.
What about you all?
We are not so good. She's very good.
Yeah.
She's very good.
Like if you know someone does not have the best intentions for you, और इंडस्ट्री है एक ऐसी चीज़ जहाँ पे नहीं पता चलता कि लोग आपके अच्छे के लिए बोल रहे हैं या you know there's some jealousy factor. Are you all able to detect that in life, or have you all ठोकर खा के you've learnt it the hard way?
ठोकर खा के सीखे हैं.
And ठोकर खा के भी I haven't learned.
Really?
मेरा वो situation.
What about you?
मेरा भी वही, मैं मतलब सीखता हूँ, बट लोग नए नए तरीके निकालते हैं तो हर बार
आपसे एक कदम आगे.
नहीं, फिर नया तरीका निकाल के फिर करते हैं, सो फिर नया तरीका ठोकर खा के सीखना पड़ता है, ऐसा है.
हाँ.
What about you, sir?
कुछ नहीं, गट फील है। हाँ,
Gut
बस
feel.
इतना ही।
हमेशा right होता है.
राइट होता है नहीं होता है वो पता नहीं, बट गट फील है। वो उसका क्या होता है अंजाम नहीं पता।
You know, when you hear a cast like this, like when four of y'all are sitting in front of me, it's a powerhouse of talent. जब मैंने cast भी सुना,
Avengers, Unite,
it's true.
Power Rangers. हम लोग अभी चारों मिलेंगे और बड़ा रोबोट बन जाएगा.
Which is called Shekhar Homes.
Transformers. But when there's so much talent और आप सुनते हो कि आपके co-actors, you know, is Rasika Duggal, KK Menon, Ranveer Shore, Kirti Kurhali, do you feel satisfaction that the end product will turn out to be good because you know that these actors are coming from?
अगर अभी भी
Great
end product
projects.
अच्छा नहीं आएगा तो भैया कब आएगा पता नहीं. So
I don't know about the end product. I feel like the process will be fun, you know, and that's what excites me and takes
Yeah.
me to that.
हाँ, सेम बैंग
Same
ऑन
here, same here.
Yeah.
At least you know कि some fun, some creativity on set.
There will be a
Baaki the
playing
thing
of
is, see,
each other.
I'll be honest with you. No offense to anyone. Films, series are a director's medium.
Yeah.
So the actors can do their best, they can give their best, but finally, final product actors के हाथ में नहीं होता. It's in the hand of the directors, the producers. So having said that, when you know you're working with, you know, like KK, Rasika, these both are new. कीर्ति के साथ पहली बार मैंने काम किया है. When you know there are good actors, it is reassuring.
Yeah. Like that's what I meant. जब आप
That's
सुनते
right,
हो
yeah,
कि
हाँ.
these actors already have such great body of work
हाँ,
and
तो-
they are on this project, तो एक confidence ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं
yeah,
अपने
and I
बढ़
think it
जाता है.
also becomes a very important criteria for you being a part of the project because
Like for example, मेरे लिए KK playing the lead role was the clincher to sign up. You know, Indian detective series set in Bengal, set up by Srijit. KK playing the lead, bang, just works.
Works.
हाँ.
मामला बड़ा सिंपल है कि आप 40 दिन गुजारते हो, 40-50 दिन जो भी है, वो आपकी ज़िंदगी चले गए, है ना? तो आप चाहते हैं कि वो 40-50 दिन जो है वो मज़े अच्छे से गुजरे, creatively, having fun. Having fun doesn't mean going and playing cricket. Having fun meaning within the creative process having fun.
Yeah.
तो जब ऐसे कलाकार होते हैं तो उसकी गारंटी होती
Yeah.
है ना, क्योंकि वो 40 दिन आपको दोबारा वापस नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो ज़रूरी है कि वो 40 दिन आपका अच्छा से गुजरे, और ये गारंटी यहाँ इन लोगों में है.
Absolutely. You have anything to add on?
No, I think I already said what I had to.
You know, the last time we spoke, आपने कहा था कि before मिर्ज़ापुर at least वो sellable actor का tag नहीं था. That's why easily I wouldn't get the projects. But after मिर्ज़ापुर things changed. Are you all as actors somewhere chasing the sellable actor tag, or कहीं ना कहीं you feel like now I'm satisfied and now directors, producers out there know my work and it's become, the process has become way easier than what it was?
थिएट्रिकल रिलीज में अलग अलग डांस करना पड़ता है
अलग algorithm है.
फॉर PR एंड
Literally,
पब्लिसिटी एंड
ना?
प्रमोशंस. हाँ,
लिटरली
लिटरली. तो वो डांस मूव्स ही अलग हैं. तो वो कुछ लोगों की बस की बात है, मतलब कुछ लोग उसमें निपुण हैं, हम नहीं. मतलब हम जाएंगे, मार्केटिंग सब करेंगे, लेकिन वो नहीं कर पाते हैं जो लोग. एंड इट्स अ स्किल, इट्स अ स्किल विच आई रिस्पेक्ट. सो वो जबकि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स में क्या होता है ना, इट्स वेरी कंटेंट ड्रिवन. एंड एक बार वो होता है तो हाउ डू आई पुट इट, इफ यू हैव OTT एज अ मीडियम एंड यू हैव सिनेमा थिएट्रिकल रिलीज एज अ मीडियम, थिएटर इज अ वेरी मास साइकोलॉजी विच वर्क्स. तो वो इट्स लाइक अ पार्टी सिंड्रोम, कि आपको नाचना नहीं भी आता हो तो क्योंकि सब लोग नाच रहे तो आप भी नाचते हो, है ना. तो वो मास साइकोलॉजी अलग काम करती है. तो वो जब वो हीरो की एंट्री होती है तो एक सीटी बजाता है, समथिंग हैपेंस टू एवरीबॉडी एंड एवरीबॉडी स्टार्ट डांसिंग. OTT इज अ वेरी इंडिविजुअल, इट्स लाइक अ नॉवल थिंग, इंडिविजुअल मीडियम. सो वहाँ पे क्या थोड़ा सा आदमी अपना इंटेलिजेंस वाली जो एंटीना है ना वो ओपन रखता है. तो हम वहाँ आते हैं और वहाँ उनको भरपूर आनंद मिलता है अगर अच्छा से काम करते हो. और आई कैन बेट दैट ऐसा कोई इंडिविजुअल नहीं होगा कि वो OTT पे देख रहा है और शीला की जवानी को उठ के नाचने लगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो होता है जब मास होता है साथ में, या फिर शादी होती है या फिर पार्टी होता है. तो थोड़ा सा अलग है इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंडिविजुअल मीडियम, यू नो. सो वहाँ हम लोग इसलिए ज़्यादा, आपने देखा होगा OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स जो अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं जिनके बारे में आपको पता भी नहीं था, वो आकर बड़े हो गए यहाँ पे. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, because that is, we have a population which is huge, and also the population of creative people is also huge. So such platforms help in mounting actors and actresses of some credible level of caliber.
Absolutely.
तो वो OTT ने हमको दिया है. मैंने कहीं तो चला गया मैं ज्ञान देते पता नहीं.
No, but very well said.
Yeah, somewhere there. So which is why this is how I look at this platform. And yes, so OTT में अगर स्टारिज्म आता भी है तो उस तरह का फ्लैशीपन शायद ना हो, या उस तरह का आपको नाचना ना पड़े प्रमोशन के लिए, क्योंकि आखिरकार आप उनकी गोद पे आ रहे हो. आप घर आ रहे हो एक तो पहली बात,
But फिर भी
और
impact
कुछ लोगों की गोद पे आ रहे हो क्योंकि लोग गोद पे देखते हैं आपको. तो आप पहुंच रहे हो उनको गोद पे, तो फिर सिनेमा में, थिएटर में आपको पहले ऑडियंस को घर से निकालो, इनर्शिया निकालो, उनको बाहर निकालो, एक स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम पे जाओ, 3 बजे के शो पे जाओ, 3 बजे ही जाओ, वहाँ बैठो, पैसे दो. इट्स अ प्रोसेस. सो हेंस दैट मार्केटिंग इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. इट्स वेरी एग्रेसिव, इट्स वेरी इन योर फेस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. यहाँ पे हम ही आ रहे हैं आपके घर पे, आपको सिर्फ इतना है कि भैया दरवाज़ा खोल दीजिए, हाँ TV ऑन कर दो, दरवाज़ा खोल दो, बस हम आके बैठ जाएंगे आपके गोद. तो वो प्रोसेस अलग है. तो इट्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव, विच इज़ वाई द पब्लिसिटी नॉर्मली हैपेंस इज ट्राई टू गिव इन्फॉर्मेशन कि ये सीरीज़ आ रही है. सो वो थोड़ा सा है अलग, वो स्किल अलग है, वो स्किल, वो क्षमता शायद मेरे अंदर भी नहीं है. I don't know how to do it.
No, I'm sure like every platform.
I started my career behind the camera, right? So when I started acting, the kind of work KK and his contemporaries were doing, this is the direction. बाकी ये जो पेड़ों के अराउंड डांस करना, सेबों के बीच में, गिरते सेबों के बीच डांस करना, इसका तो हम लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे. I was in spite of my father being in the same business, that was never attractive. So हीरो बनने की कोई चाह नहीं थी. बट येस कि हमारा जो सिनेमा है, हमारे सिनेमा की जो परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं वो इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा की कैलिबर पे उठकर आए, वो चाहती. थिएट्रिकल सिस्टम ने तो अलाउ ही नहीं की, क्योंकि वो इंसेस्चुअस, वही जो साइकिल इनका चलता रहता है, वही लोगों की सेम टाइप की, बिकॉज एंड उनकी भी गलती नहीं, बिकॉज दे आर मनी स्पिनर्स, they just want to spin money.
Yeah.
To elevate cinematic sensibilities, craft is not the number one on their agenda.
Yeah.
Streaming platforms did some of that because it educated audiences, उनको cinema literate बनाया, because दुनिया भर की आप films और series देख पाते हैं अब OTT platforms पर. That elevates your, यार जिसने कभी माफ करना, जिसने कभी बटर चिकन खाया नहीं, वड़ा पाव ही या व्हाटएवर आलू गोभी खाई नहीं, सिर्फ वड़ा पाव खाया है, वो तो उसको तो वड़ा पाव ही चलेगा ना. जो एक बार अच्छी बनी ताजी क्रिस्प गोभी वाली आलू गोभी चखेगा तो वो बोलेगा ना मेरे को वो खाना है फिर से. तुम बेचोगे ही, एक पूरा जो दुकान है तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में, तुम बेच रहे हो सिर्फ वड़ा पाव, तो उनको तो पता ही नहीं आलू गोभी क्या है. So my point is OTT changed that to some extent. But as far as my own personal journey is concerned, I never wanted to be that guy, you know, dancing around the tree and जो लड़की यहाँ डांस कर रही है और आप उसके वो कर रहे हो नीचे बैठ के घुटने के बल. I grew up making fun of that on Great Indian Comedy Show, Channel V के जो shows. So there was no way I want to be that. But यहाँ पे जब आप एक्टर बन जाते हो ना, तो आपके दोस्त ही मीडिया वाले ही ना आपको जानबूझ के वो पूछेंगे, आप हीरो नहीं बने, यू नो, आप मेन स्ट्रीम फिल्म्स में आपका वो हो. यार मेरा वो एम्बिशन ही नहीं है, बट आपको मापा जाएगा उसी के साथ, वही फुट रूलर के साथ. सो दीज आर स्मॉल, यू नो, I know I'm trying biting off much more than I can make sense. But point being, yes, streaming platforms are definitely a step in the right direction, and yes, not everybody aspires to be a Hindi film hero, you know.
Ranveer, I had to ask you, I know आपको
यार, अभी
काफी
तो इतना
लोगों ने
बोला है यार.
पूछा है the fact about, you know, you just came out of the Big Boss house, but I have to ask you, आपने कहा है कि आप ये recommend नहीं करोगे. Is it somewhere because it pushes the worst side out of you, like any individual?
No, it depends on who comes there. There are people there who will get the best out of you, but there are also people there who will get the worst out of you. So मैं लोगों को अगर कहता हूँ I don't recommend it, it comes from that, please, it's not for the faint-hearted. ये तुम्हारे टॉलरेंस लेवल्स, तुम्हारी फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी को बहुत टेस्ट करता है ये एनवायरनमेंट. इट्स नॉट इजी. मतलब ट्रस्ट मी, मैं और भी रियलिटी शोज कर चुका हूँ, ऐसी चीज मैंने नहीं देखी है. ये धुरिंदर है भाई. सो सोच समझ के कोई भी अगर जा रहा है तो सोच समझ के जाए.
Think 10 times for thick-skinned people. But you know, I have to ask the ladies that you know, I've seen the graph of work that you all have had, and it's so lovely to see that today you all can do a show like this, and then I can also see you and love this strong woman, independent lawyer in FOMO shots, and see you in a Mirzapur who's dealing with patriarchy. Do you all as women feel satisfied the amount of graph you all get to play with? You all are not stereotyped with this girl next door or a strong woman at the same time. There's a khichdi also you're doing, and then there is like a Delhi crime you're doing. It's like huge, the graph.
It could always be better. So that's always there. There will always be somewhere else that you will want to go, and your environment might or might not be providing that for you at that time. But when the streaming services came about, and at that time there was this whole conversation on women-centric films, I was sort of wary of that conversation because I felt like it was just sort of, you know, wanting to check a box rather than really wanting to push the boundaries and create new narratives which were not subscribing to gender stereotypes. And I have to say that it wasn't just checking a box, that there were attempts made in the right direction. But I also feel that discrimination is very, very deep-seated. It's not something that changes overnight. So there will always be a cyclical pattern to it. Even with the best intentions in writing, I have seen things, visuals of women which are very sexualized, even when the character is written not like that at all, because I guess our references for so long have been like that. So there is a long way to go, and there's always more to achieve. And for one thing that I go on saying these days, which is genuinely a desire with me right now, is to see a woman in a central part in comedic material. You know, and that I haven't seen happen so often. I feel that somehow people don't associate women with comedy for some strange reason. And
And when that happens, it doesn't work. Like,
sorry?
When we've seen women in the central comedy work, it's not worked.
Have you seen anything in Indian originals made? I've seen one show.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I can't really think of any other show which is. Have you?
I
can
feel like
think
Vidya
of a
Balan,
show?
Rani ma'am have attempted it
Uh,
in like films like
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
Jagga
What kind of
Jasoos that Vidya was
What
doing.
kind of show?
Where we see
Women
women
show
in the
with-
central.
show with women in the center.
Yeah.
I saw one called Bhag Bhini Bhag, which Swara had done.
Okay.
But
Uh,
besides that, I can't think of anything
Queen,
else that I'd
maybe?
seen recently.
Queen,
Yeah.
maybe, no?
Queen. Maybe.
Queen was good,
Yeah.
yeah.
That was one.
It's
That
just not enough of
not
that.
enough. Yeah,
You
we've
know,
not
so I
seen
feel
it.
like that's something that I hope changes.
Absolutely. Kirti, you like to add something?
I personally feel a lot has changed in the last 5 years since OTT came in. And I personally feel also very blessed and grateful that I have managed to be a part of this change. And yes, there's always more to do and more to achieve. But I'm personally very, I'm personally very content and very grateful
Happy.
for all the different kinds of roles I have played, and acceptance and the love that audience has given it. So it's very encouraging, I must say. And well, miles to go before I sleep. So yeah, we're doing our thing and waiting for the environment to become better and better.
Absolutely love FOMO shots, and I liked it so much, and it's hard to say that.
Thank you.
You know, before I leave, एक last question मुझे आप दोनों के लिए पूछना है. You all know each other since years, like you all have done honeymoon travels. But आज जब एक दूसरे को मिलते हो, what do you think has evolved for each other? What do you think? How much has he changed and how much has?
I don't think we analyze so much the
Yeah.
other person. That's, I think, the greatest mistake one can make in terms of any relationship. If you analyze it beyond a point, then you lose the sense and the happiness of it. So it's better to see. It's a very an intuitive thing. You feel happy seeing a person. I feel happy seeing Ranveer,
Same here, yeah.
and that's it. That is enough for you, because the moment you try and put that in words, words nowadays I saw so used so many times just to connote. Words were discovered to connote a feeling, not the other way around. No? Feelings were not discovered for a words.
Yeah.
So a feeling is a feeling, and that feeling should remain without really describing it and saying, okay, fine, you know what, this and that. That means you're actually saying that beauty is about, oh, you know what, her nose is like this, her eyes are like that. And no, beauty is a whole.
How it comes together.
Yeah.
It's an aura or something which is unexplainable.
Yeah.
Similarly with friendship, and I think Ranveer and me, though we've worked in the same films, like he said earlier also, we haven't had too many scenes together. But this was the first time that we could actually explore that. And that process was so interesting because we could actually bat off each other. We knew that इतने रन बनाने हैं, तू इतना बना, मैं इतना बनाता हूँ, यहाँ पे तू चौका मार ले, यहाँ पे मैं एक लेता हूँ. That kind of a camaraderie and that kind of a jugalbandi can
Chemistry.
happen only if you have a very, very solid actor with you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, डामाडोल हो जाएगा मामला. So I think we have managed to kind of, with the women contributing so much in this, I think we have managed to kind of win the match, is what I feel. But the audiences will actually decide that.
Waiting to see that.
Yeah.
You'd like to add something?
No, just what KK said, just to clarify the earlier films, Honeymoon and Sirf that we worked on, we hardly had any scenes together. First time we've got a chance to kind of play together.
Yeah.
And it's been a blast. Like, you know, I've always held him in great regard, great respect. And finally to get a chance to watch him up close, I was very happy, you know, being his side guy, his guy on the other side of the crease. And I don't think anybody else could have pulled off what he has in Shekhar Holmes. So
Lovely to see that. But all the very best for Shekhar Holmes. It's been
Thank
a long
you.
day, and thank you for the
Aina.
energy.
Thank you,
all the
Aina.
very best, and we'll see you super soon.
Yep.
Thank you.